one-year welding technology program at Perry Tech prepares students for entry-level careers in fields such as structural iron, manufacturing, fabrication, and equipment repair. With a focus on safety, students are provided a foundation that includes print reading and fabrication planning, while coursework covers oxy-fuel cutting and welding, and carbon arc cutting and gouging. The program also includes shielded metal, gas metal, flux core, gas tungsten arc welding, in addition to pipe welding. As the program progresses into advanced fabrication and metalworking equipment techniques, students are required to demonstrate their skills by completing hands-on projects. Additionally, students have the opportunity to participate in an externship, where they can further their experience prior to entering the workforce. From traveling to new and exciting job sites to working in a local shop, the essential skills you can learn have the ability to help find the career you desire. Perry Tech works with industry professionals in order to develop our program curriculum to ensure you receive the skills that industry demands. We treat every day as if it were the world of work. Each student clocks in and out daily and must adhere to a strict no drug or alcohol policy. Upon graduation, you will find that the skills you acquire in this program are critical to the success of your organization. From oil fields and aerospace environments to working on skyscrapers and farm equipment, there are many avenues to pursue. In addition, the knowledge and skills you develop over the course of the one-year program is designed to prepare you for a number of industry certifications, including WABO and AWS, in order to make you a more attractive job candidate. Prior to graduation, our career services staff will work with you to develop materials such as resumes and cover letters, and will assist with mock interviews. Take a more in-depth look at the one-year welding technology program by visiting perrytech.edu/tour to schedule a program tour today.